We're hearing words that momentarily President Xi Jinping is about to make his way into the control center. And again, you're now watching the live picture from the Beijing Aerospace Flight Control Center. The president will be given a tour, as we've learned, at the Flight Control Center and given a chance to look at the Tiangong space station orbiting in space and its flat status. So Beijing Aerospace Flight Control, there you see Chinese President Xi Jinping emerging. Now he's accompanied by senior Politburo members and officials from the military. There you see Han Zheng, Vice Premier, and Liu He, Vice Premier of the State Council. Mr. Ding Xuexiang, Senior Politburo member, and also Xu Qiliang, Vice Chairman of the Central Military Commission, and Mr. Wei Fenghe, Minister of National Defense. They are all there, about to witness history being made, a ground-to-space video call between the president and the three astronauts. And Beijing Aerospace Flight Control Center is actually the command center for the Chinese space program, which includes the Shenzhou mission. There you see President Xi Jinping taking his position, observing the flights in orbit now. That's the vice premier of the country, Mr. Han Zheng. There you see the two astronauts there. Let's listen in.
Welcome to Autonomous Express Flight Mission. This is the ground control center for the space flight mission. On the screen ahead of us, or the middle screen, you are seeing the real-time image from the cabin. Right now, the astronaut Liu Boming and Tang Hongbo, they're inside of the module. They're actually assembling and testing the astrovehicular spacesuit. From the left side, for the screen, it shows astronaut Nie Haisheng is inside of the cabin. He is conducting the operation and start to operate the robotic arm for the astrovehicular activities. On the right side of the screen, you are seeing the real-time image outside of the module. Now you could see the length of the robotic arm is 9.5 meters. It will help for the assembling and will support the astronauts to conduct astrovehicular activities. For the other screens, there are some of the calculations and data of the space flight. From the left screen, you could see for the complex is operating and within the tracking of the intermediate satellite. On the right side of the screen, you're seeing some of the 3D image. So by all the information, you could see the Shenzhou 12, and also you could see the Tianzhou cargo ship, and the complex is in stable condition. Please check the assembling status. Please check the size of the inner part of the space suit.
Shenzhou 12号，我是北京，请坐好，与习总书记
Shenzhou 12, this is Beijing. Please prepare for the video call with General Secretary Xi.
神舟12号明白，过两动3，请到核心舱就位。
All right, you're now watching the live picture. This is coming from the Tiangong space station. In just a few moments, the 3 astronauts are going to make a video call to the ground, and Chinese President Xi Jinping is going to talk to them. I mean, it's kind of a tradition for a sitting Chinese president to speak to Chinese astronauts on active duty in space via such a video call. As you can see, the 3 astronauts are making their way to position, ready to make that video call. President Xi has actually done such a call twice before. Former President Hu Jintao has done so too. There were altogether 6 missions before this one. Chinese presidents actually talked to Nie Haisheng on another mission. I believe it's Shenzhou 10 mission back in a couple years ago. Let's listen in.